the HSBC Elite World. Elite Mastercard credit card is not your average piece of plastic. This is a premium travel rewards card specifically engineered for the bank's most affluent existing clients. To even apply, you must already have a US HSBC Premier checking account or a private bank relationship, which is a major point of friction for the general consumer. This is clearly a tool designed to solve the pain points of the high-spending, frequent, and globally connected traveler, but it comes with a formidable $495 annual fee. However, the good news is that the card is engineered to mitigate that cost with generous credits. The value proposition starts with an incredibly high earning rate of 5 times points on travel, which includes flights, hotels, and car rentals. This is genuinely a top-tier earning rate, placing it head-to-head with the best travel cards on the market, and 2 times points on dining helps cover other common travel expenses. For all other purchases, you will earn 1 times point per dollar. When you sign up, you are offered a welcome bonus of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is worth up to $900 in travel when redeemed through the HSBC travel portal. The points can also be transferred to one of the 11 airline and 2 hotel loyalty partners, which can sometimes unlock even more valuable redemption opportunities for the savvy points traveler. The card's main strength and the key to justifying that high annual fee lies in its collection of credits and perks. The most significant is the opportunity for up to $400 in annual travel credits for airfare, hotels, and car rentals. If you are a traveler and can fully utilize this benefit, it effectively brings the annual fee down to a much more palatable $95. Beyond that, the card offers unlimited Priority Pass lounge access for the primary cardholder and up to 2 guests, which is a massive value for anyone who spends significant time in airports, eliminating the uncomfortable gate waiting experience. There is also up to a 120 credit every 4.5 years to cover the application fees for global entry, TSA PreCheck by Clear or Nexus. Lifestyle perks include up to $120 in annual rideshare or taxi statement credits, broken down as $10 per month, and up to $140 in annual Instacart Plus benefits. The card also features exceptional consumer protections like cellular wireless telephone protection for up to $800 per claim, and purchase assurance, which covers theft or damage up to $1,000 for 90 days. For international use, it has no foreign transaction fees, and authorized users can be added for $0, which is a nice touch. But no card is without its drawbacks. The substantial $495 annual fee is the immediate elephant in the room, making this a card for people who are certain they will use the credits. The exclusivity is a major con. The requirement of having an existing US HSBC Premier checking account is a very high barrier to entry that shuts out the vast majority of consumers, even those with excellent credit. Furthermore, the valuable $400 travel credit requires you to book through the HSBC travel portal, which is powered by Priceline, meaning you lose the flexibility of booking directly and might occasionally miss out on the absolute lowest prices or loyalty program benefits with certain airlines or hotels. Finally, like many high-end rewards cards, this is not a card for carrying a balance. The variable APR for purchases and balance transfers ranges from 19.74% to 23.74%, and the cash advance APR is 28.74%, all of which are very high. This card is intended for users who pay their balance in full every single month to maximize the rewards and avoid crippling interest charges. In summary, the HSBC Elite World Elite Mastercard is a powerhouse travel card with incredible benefits, particularly the 5 times points on travel and the generous credits. If you are already a high net worth HSBC Premier or private bank customer, travel internationally often, and are comfortable booking through the designated travel portal, this card is an outstanding value. However, the risks are clear. The barrier to entry is substantial because of the required banking relationship and the $495 annual fee is only worth it if you fully utilize the $400 travel credit and other perks. If you do not pay your balance in full, the high APR will quickly negate any rewards value. This card is a complex financial tool with a very specific affluent audience in mind, and the high interest rates mean the risk of debt is significant if not managed with discipline.